Good morning. Here's my bike. A little bit of eye candy for you motorcycle enthusiasts. I rode this motorcycle all the way from California, Arizona border back to Florida, then halfway to New York trying to go visit some friends up there, but I didn't quite make it. There was a big ass rainstorm. And anyhow, that's how I ended up meeting Uncle Will when I came back, and he paid to have my bike fixed because it was broken. So suppose y'all want to hear it run. Maybe it'll start. I hope. Oh, it will. It always does. Nothing like the sound of a Harley Davidson first thing in the morning. This is my campsite at Ocean Pond. Sounds good, don't it? Alright, well, now you know what it sounds like. You'll hear me coming. Have a blessed, glorious day.